yet love had given up his life. The darkest day in history. There on a cross they made for sinners. For every curse his blood atoned. One final breath and it was finished. But not at the end we could have known. For the earth began to shake, and the veil was what sacrifice was made as the